especially in first 6 overs. Nicely played. That really is a good shot by Ahmed Shahzad, and he's off. Wasn't a bad delivery, maybe slightly offline, slightly wide and short, but
too short and punished. Nice shot. 2 pull on the legs, and batsmen love those. 4 runs.
good flyer. What a great delivery. There was no mid-wicket. Down leg side, full.
And again, Carmen Coffey struck even better that time. Oh yes. Oh, that's such a good shot.
He played. Look at it, smashed it from him. Another brilliant shot. Finds the gap and ball races away to the boundary.
It's really well played, this. What's important, having got the opportunity, is to find the gap. 18 balls. 20. That's a pretty good shot. Hit it really hard. Picked it. Decides, well, let's go. Good shot. 1 bouncing away for 4. Off the edge, it's got fine, it'll go for 4. Much needed those runs by Pakistan. There were really a couple of good overs, World 11 and bowled with. Pakistan need a bigger over.
Oh, that's gone. How good is that? Magnificent crack over point.
Yeah, he wasn't holding it back. Fearless. That is his zone. Don't go there. Don't. That's wrong line, wrong length for him. He loves it there. It's made it that bit more difficult for both Fakhar Zaman and Ahmed Shahzad. Oh, did he touch it? He did. He did touch it. He's out. He's on his way. What a way to lose your wicket. Yeah, it was hit hard. I thought he bowled very smartly. He bowled fuller. He was looking for that short delivery, little touch on it. And Fakhar was well out of his crease. Oopsie. Has to bowl that again. Oh, get back, get back.